Hello, I'm a local Japanese. Did you know you can find some incredibly clever items at Muji? Today, I'll share 10 amazing Muji items that surprise you in Japan. From smart everyday essentials to cleverly designed products you didn't even know you needed, Muji is full of hidden gems. As a local, I've carefully selected items that are not only practical and affordable, but also uniquely Japanese in their simplicity and innovation. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Baumkuchen. Baumkuchen is a traditional German layered cake, but Muji has adapted it to sweet Japanese taste. Instead of a large round cake, Muji sells it in individually wrapped, easy to carry bar shapes, making it perfect as a snack, souvenir or quick breakfast. We eat it as dessert or during working time. Muji's Baumkuchen comes in a wide variety of flavors, and my recommendation is Uji matcha. The cake has a rich green tea aroma with a gentle bitterness that balances perfectly with its mild sweetness. It's not too intense but still full of flavor. This item and coffee is good combo. The cost is 180 yen, $1. Individually wrapped and easy to carry, so it's good souvenir for you. Number 2. Bath salt. Bath salts are designed to turn an everyday bath into a relaxing, spa-like experience inspired by the Japanese bathing culture. Made with simple, carefully selected ingredients, Muji bath salts help warm the body and ease muscle tension after a long day of walking or travel. The salts dissolve smoothly in hot water, creating a calming bath that helps you relax both physically and mentally. My recommendation is orange and cypress scent. This bath salt combines the fresh, gently sweet aroma of Japanese mikan, mandarin orange with the clean, woody scent of hinoki, Japanese cypress. The citrus note refreshes your mind, while hinoki brings a calming, spa-like atmosphere similar to a traditional Japanese bath. The cost is 100 yen, 70 cents. You can bring back Japanese culture very easily, so highly recommend it. Number 3. Curry. Muji curry is one of the brand's best-selling food products in Japan. These curries are fully cooked and sealed in pouches, so you simply heat them in hot water or a microwave and pour them over rice. It's convenient when you are busy. Muji's curry line has a wide range of flavor, and my recommendation is butter chicken curry. The sauce is rich and creamy, made with tomato paste, butter, cream, and a blend of aromatic spices. It has a mild sweetness and gentle acidity from the tomatoes, creating a smooth and comforting flavor. The chicken pieces are tender and satisfying, making it feel more premium than typical instant curries. The cost is 350 yen, $2, so highly recommended. Number 4. Cleaning sheets. Kitchen and bathroom cleaning sheet is simple yet highly effective disposable wipes, designed specifically for tackling everyday water-related grime. These cleaning sheets are made from a thick, durable material that won't tear easily, even when wet, making them perfect for wiping bathroom or kitchen. The sheet has a slightly rough surface but contains no abrasive particles, allowing it to scrub dirt while reducing the risk of scratching surfaces. The material is strong and does not easily rip, even when scrubbing stubborn grime. The cost is 300 yen, $2. This item makes your cleaning time more enjoyable, so please try it. Number 5. Socks. Muji's socks are loved for their comfort, durability, and thoughtful design, reflecting Muji's philosophy of simplicity and quality. Many Muji socks are designed with a right and left specific shape, which fits the natural form of the foot and reduces pressure and slipping. This makes them comfortable to wear all day, whether you are sightseeing or going about your daily routine. My recommendation is foot-shaped right angle socks. It matches the natural shape of the human foot with a heel set at a 90 degrees angle. This thoughtful design helps the socks fit properly, reducing slipping, bunching, and pressure while walking. The cost is 400 yen, $2.7, so highly recommended. Number 6. Bekko Ame. Japanese Lolly with Plum is a unique Japanese sweet that perfectly reflects the country's love for balancing sweet and sour flavors. This candy is made with brown sugar syrup, known in Japan as Bekko Ame, which gives it a deep, caramel-like sweetness and a warm amber color. Inside, you'll find pieces of Nanko plum, a premium variety of Japanese ume, plum famous for its large size, soft texture, and rich flavor. At first, you experience gentle sweetness of the brown sugar. Then, as the candy melts, the slightly salty and tangy plum flavor slowly emerges. This combination creates a refreshing finish. The cost is 220 yen, $2. You can enjoy unique Japanese flavor, so highly recommended. Number 7. Waffle crewneck t-shirt. The waffle crewneck t-shirt is a versatile and functional everyday essential, designed for both comfort and practicality. This t-shirt features a waffle textured fabric, which not only adds a subtle, stylish look but also enhances breathability. Quick drying and easy care are the point. It dries quickly after washing and maintains its texture even after repeated laundry cycles. People love the waffle fabric for how soft and comfortable it feels on the skin. The cost is 3,000 yen, $20. Simple and stylish design can make your daily life more enjoyable, so highly recommended. Number 8. Softbox. Polyester linen softbox is a simple and practical storage solution designed to help organize everyday items neatly. The inside of the fabric is coated, which helps the box keep its shape and makes it more durable for daily use. When not in use, the box can be folded flat, which makes it easy to store and convenient for small living spaces. The dimensions are carefully designed to fit neatly into Muji shelves and storage units, allowing users to create a clean and organized living space. The color and design blend well with many rooms. The cost is 500 yen to 1,300 yen, $3 to $9. This item comes in various options, including versions with or without lids and different sizes, offering a wide range of choices, so highly recommended. Number 9. Sponge. Urethane foam 3-layer sponge is one of Muji's most popular kitchen cleaning items, loved by many Japanese households for its simple design and excellent performance. This sponge features a 3-layer structure made from different materials, each designed for a specific function. The sponge creates rich bubbles with a small amount of dish soap, making dishwashing easier and more efficient. The sponge keeps its shape well and lasts longer than typical kitchen sponges. The cost is 300 yen, $2. It is simple, durable, and high-performance kitchen sponge, so please try it. Number 10. Mini Backpack. Mini water-resistant backpack is a compact and highly practical bag designed for everyday use, especially in busy city life or travel. Despite its small size, it's thoughtfully organized with multiple pockets and components that make it easy to store essentials like your wallet, smartphone, water bottle, and travel documents. Adjustable shoulder straps and a lightweight build make it comfortable for long use, whether you are walking around the city all day or going on a short trip. The cost is 1,000 yen, $7. It's mini size but cleverly designed to maximize storage space without looking bulky. Also very cute, so highly recommended. Okay, that's the end of my video. I'm glad that you enjoy my video. And also, I'm very glad that you like and subscribe. Comment is also welcome. I hope you have a great Japan trip and shopping. Thanks.